Hi students, good morning everybody. So in the last class we have seen that the cops were climbing onto the attic where the grandfather was sleeping, and the grandfather is thinking that the police were the men, that is the deserters from General Meade's army. Okay, they were coming to hide in the attic. So this is the misunderstanding of the grandfather who is in the attic. So what he is doing, what grandpa is doing is he is taking the gun from one of the cops, that is police, and he is shooting a police whom he is shooting. He is shooting Mr. Joe. Okay, so this was what we have seen in the last class. So now let us continue. The cops were reluctant to leave without getting their hand on somebody besides grandfather. The night had been distinctly a defeat for them. Furthermore, they obviously did not like the layout. Something looked, and I can see their viewpoint, phony. Okay, so the cops were reluctant. So what is mean by reluctant is he is reluctant to do his homework. It means he is hesitating to do his homework. It is not refusing, it is hesitating, that is not interested in doing something at that time. So later he may do that, but at that time he doesn't want to do that thing. That is the meaning of reluctant. So the cops were reluctant to leave without getting their hand on somebody besides grandfather. So the cops were not interested in, that is, they doesn't want to go out of the house without getting their hand on somebody besides grandfather, because they have not caught anybody, isn't it? So the only person they had suspected is grandfather because of the creaking sound. Okay, so besides that they didn't find anybody in the house, so they were not in they were hesitating to leave the house. The night had been distinctly a defeat for them. Okay, distinctly means clearly. Okay, so that night had been a great defeat for them, because after receiving the call from Mr. Bodwell, they had came to the house in search of somebody. Okay, but they couldn't find anybody in the house, so that's why they are thinking that that night is a defeat for them. Furthermore, they obviously did not like the layout. Something looked, and I can see their viewpoint, phony. Okay, furthermore, and also they obviously did not like the layout. Okay, so layout means angarka and the situation. Okay, they didn't like that, and something looked, and I can see their viewpoint, phony. Phony means not real, false one. Okay, so here I refers to the narrator. They begin to poke into things again. So poke means that is, again they started to move all the things there, and they again started to search. Okay, that is, they were not interested in going out of the house. Okay, so they are suspecting something. Angarka and the house oda layout and the house oda and the design, it is making them something to suspect. Okay, so they again started to search. Okay, a reporter, a thin-faced, wispy man, came up to me. Okay, so a reporter. So okay, a reporter, how he is looking, or this is his appearance, a thin-faced, wispy man, that is, he was a very lean man, came up to me. So came to whom? Came to the narrator, that is, the reporter is coming towards the narrator. I had put on one of mother's dress. So the narrator is just wearing his towel around his waist, right? So he is wearing one of the mother's dress, not being able to find anything else, because in that emergency, in that urgency, he is not able to find anything else nearby. So he is taking and wearing one of his mother's dress. The reporter looked at me with mingled suspicion and interest. Okay, so the reporter is looking at the narrator with mingled suspicion. So what does mean by suspicion? Suspicion means doubt. Okay, suspect, suspicion, it means doubt. So mingled suspicion. Okay, so why the reporter is looking at the narrator with suspicion, with doubt is, why can you guess? It is because he is a boy, he is wearing his mother dress and also he was in a confused state. Who? The narrator. That's why the reporter is looking at him with some mixed doubt. Just what the hell is the real lowdown here? But he asked. Okay, so boy, what is happening here? Actually, what is happening here? He is asking to the reporter is asking to the narrator. I decided to be frank. Okay, so I decided to be frank with him. So that is the narrator is thinking to, that is he is deciding to say everything frankly to the reporter. We had ghost, I said. Okay, so what the narrator is telling, we had ghost here. He gazed at me a long time as if I were a slot machine into which he had, without results, dropped a coin. Okay, so he gazed at me. So he is looking at the narrator for a long time as if I were a slot machine. Okay, what does mean by slot machine? So slot machine na நம்ம இந்த நிறைய இடத்துல பார்த்துருப்போம் இல்லையா, ஒரு காயின் போட்டோம் அப்படின்னா it will say something about us இல்லையா, 1 rupee காயின் போட்டோம்னா, okay, that is called a slot machine. It will give a card for us, it will have some message. Okay, so he gazed at me a long time as if I were a slot machine into which he had, without a results, dropped a coin. Okay, so actually the narrator is telling that we had ghost in the house, that's why the police came to search. Okay, so by saying this reply, the narrator is the reporter is looking at the narrator. எப்படி பார்க்குறாரு அப்படின்னா, ஒரு ஸ்லாட் மிஷின்குள்ளே ஒரு காயின் போட்டுட்டு அது எந்த ரிசல்ட்டும் கொடுக்கலன்னா நம்ம நின்று வெயிட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்போம் இல்லையா, அது நமக்கு ஒரு கார்டு கொடுக்கும், நமக்கு ஏதாவது சொல்லும் அப்படின்னு வெயிட் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருப்போம் இல்லையா. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி the reporter is waiting. Then he walked away. Then the reporter walked away. The cops followed him. The one grandfather shot holding his now bandaged arm. Okay, the cops followed him. The police is following him. The one grandfather shot holding his now bandaged arm. Okay, so what happened? Grandfather had shooted a policeman, right? So he is holding his bandaged arm. So shoot பண்ண arm bandage போட்டிருக்காங்க. So he is holding, அதை பிடிச்சிக்கிட்டே போகிறாரு. Cursing and blaspheming. Okay, cursing means scolding and blaspheming. So blaspheming means using offensive words to scold. Okay, offensive words use பண்ணி ஒருத்தரை திட்டுறது, it is called as blasphemy. Offensive, what is mean by offensive is unpleasant words. Okay, so நம்ம யாரையாவது திட்டுறோன்னா ஏன் இப்படி பண்ணிகிட்ருக்க அப்படின்னு கோவமாக கேட்டாலும் it is a type of scolding இல்லையா. அதுவே பேட், நம்ம காதில் கேட்க பிடிக்காத பேட் வேர்ட்ஸ், அன்பிளசன்ட் வேர்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி திட்டுவோம் இல்லையா, that is called as blaspheming. So why the police officer is blaspheming the grandfather is, why? Because the grandfather had shooted the policeman, that is the reason, right? Okay, so I am gonna get my gun back from that old bird, said the zither cop. Okay, so what zither cop means? The person, the police who had taken the zither from the shelf. So who is it? He is Mr. Joe. Okay, so gonna means going to. Okay, I am going to get my gun back from that old bird. From that old bird means old grandfather. So I am going to get my gun from the grandfather. The police is telling, "Hey," said Joe, "you and who else?" Okay, so along with you, who else is going to get the gun? I told them I would bring it to the station house the next day. But the narrator is telling, you don't go to take the gun. Okay, So I'll bring the gun to the station house. Station house means police station. Next day I myself will bring the gun to the police station tomorrow. Who is telling? The narrator is telling. So what happened? Grandfather had taken the gun from the holster and he had shooted the police. So he is telling, I am going to get the gun from grandfather, but the narrator is telling, I myself will bring the gun to the police station the next day, that is tomorrow. What was the matter with that one policeman? Mother asked after they had gone. Okay, so mother is asking, what is the matter? What is the matter about that one policeman? Mother is asking to the narrator after everyone, all the policemen had gone out of the house. Grandfather shot him, I said. So grandfather had shooted him. What for? She demanded. So demanded means asked. So mother is asking for what grandpa had shooted him. I told her he was a deserter because grandfather thought that police was a deserter. That's why he had shooted him. Of all things, said mother, he was such a nice looking young man. So among all the policemen, that particular person was very nice looking. Who is telling? Mother is telling to the narrator. Okay. So grandfather was fresh as a daisy and full of jokes at breakfast next morning. We thought at first he had forgotten all about what had happened, but he had not. Okay, so grandfather was fresh as a daisy. What is daisy? It is a type of flower. Okay. Okay, as fresh as a daisy. It is a phrase. So what is the meaning of this phrase is, see, this is the daisy flower. Okay, so இந்த பூ பார்த்த உடனே எப்படி இருக்குது? இட் இஸ் வெரி ஃப்ரெஷ் இல்லையா? புதுசாக பூத்து ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக அழகாக இருக்குது இல்லையா? ஸோ லைக் திஸ் ஃப்ளார். ஓகே, கிராண்ட்ஃபாதர் இஸ் வெரி ஃப்ரெஷ் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டே. ஒன்றுமே நடக்காத மாதிரி ஹி இஸ் வெரி ஃப்ரெஷ் ஆஸ் அ டெய்ஸி ஃப்ளார் த நெக்ஸ்ட் மார்னிங். ஓகே, grandfather was fresh as a daisy and full of jokes at breakfast next morning. Okay, next morning grandfather was looking very fresh. Okay, and he is with full of jokes when they are taking breakfast on the morning, next day morning. We thought at first he had forgotten all about what had happened. So what the author is thinking, what the narrator and his family, that is narrator, his mother, his brother Herman, Roy and his father, everyone, what they were thinking is he had forgotten totally, completely about what all had happened. But he had not. But it is not so, because grandfather had not forgotten anything. Over his third cup of coffee, he glared at Herman and me. Okay, so when he was taking his third cup of coffee, he glared. Glared means he looked at Herman and me. So he is looking at the narrator's brother Herman and the narrator. What was the idea of all them cops tarry-hooting round the house last night? He demanded. So demanded means asked. So what the grandfather is asking is, what was the idea? Idea means here idea. Okay, so what was the idea of all those cops, police, tarry-hooting? Tarry-hooting means loitering and making lot of noise. Okay, loitering, R-I-N-G. Okay, loitering and making a lot of noise. So what is mean by loitering? It is R. What is mean by loitering is roaming here and there, wandering here and there and making a noise. Okay, so what was the idea of all those cops loitering, wandering here and there in the house last night? He demanded. So he is asking to the family members, why all those police officers were wandering here and there and making lot of noise and confusion last night. None of you bothered to leave a bottle of water beside my bed. See what the grandfather is telling. None of you, யாருமே என்ன பண்ணல, none of you bothered to leave a bottle of water beside my bed. என் பெட்டுக்கு பக்கத்தில் ஒரு வாட்டர் பாட்டில் வைக்கணும்னு யாருக்குமே தோணவே இல்லை. நோ ஒன் worried about that, no one bothered about that. Do you ever realize what it cost for a thirsty man to look for water in the dining room last night? Okay, so what he is asking, do you ever realize, எப்பயாவது நீங்கள் ரியலைஸ் பண்ணி பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா, what it cost for a thirsty man to look for water in the dining room last night? Okay, so ஒரு தாகமாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா எப்படி வந்து how they will search for water in the dining room? Can you realize that? Okay, so can you realize that the grandfather is asking? So he had us there. So what is the meaning? He had us there. So இப்போதான் எல்லாருக்கும் புரிஞ்சுது. What everyone have understood? Okay, what you have understood? So it was the grandfather who searched around the dining table for a bottle of water to drink, as the family members didn't keep any water bottle near his bed during the last night. So there is no ghost in the house, there is no robbers, thieves in the house. It is the grandfather who searched around the dining room table to for drinking water. Okay, so the night the ghost got in. James Grover Thurber. So it is a humoristic story. So humor means with lots of fun, comic. Okay, so it is a funny story. At last, who is the person who is responsible for all this confusion in the house? Grandfather is the person who had created all this confusion inside the house, because there is no thieves in the house. Okay, so this is what the lesson tells about. So we have completed our second prose. Okay, so let us meet in the next class. Thank you.